On this Mori machine with the CELOS CNC, actually it's a Mitsubishi M730. We're gonna see how to check the service agent tasks. You have to open the main menu, and here you have the icon Save Service Agent. You have some pending tasks here in this machine, and what we can do is to check or execute the task if we haven't done the task yet, so I'm not gonna check as I execute it. But you have an interesting feature here that is the instruction. This is gonna open the manual where you can see the instruction how to check any of these tasks. Let's say replacing hydraulic unit, and you can open that instructions, and here on some of these items we might have the instruction for replacing a hydraulic unit, like right here. And the other thing that you can check here is the consumable part list. So let's say I want to open that charter, and here you have some consumable part list. Okay, and let's see, replacing battery of electrical cabinet. So this is the part number of the parts that you need, but in this case it's a common batteries that you can purchase anywhere. So let's check the replacing coil. We don't have any consumable. Replacing cooling oil, replacing hydraulic unit, we don't have. Let's check this one, replacing line filter element of hydraulic unit. We have two parts, so you can check or request them with this code. Okay, so if you check the instruction, it's going to open the same page on the maintenance manual, and then you have to check for the instruction for that particular task. Okay, thank you.